Hi guys! We're going to Batangas! Alis na kami guys. Wala kami mabook na Grab, so mag-jeep na lang kaming dalawa. Tapos sa taxi na lang. So hot. Hi guys, we're here sa McDo. We're waiting for our kasama.
Hi guys, we're waiting for our order also. Sino ka dyan?
Excited na ako guys. Swimming kami today.
Yay! Magbi-beach kami. Date namin kayo mamaya pag nandito na yung food
And our kasama.
and our kasama. Kasi mamaya pa daw silang 7:50. 49 na, so 1 minute.
Dahil dyan may 1 minute ka na lang para umalis.
Oo, dapat before 8 nandito na kayo. Pero yung pagkain natin wala pa. Serve na lang. Sabi ko okay na po. Ako na lang.
So she's back.
Grabe yun si ate. Attitude.
Ate. Attitude from the root word ate.
From also the root word te.
Here's our order guys.
Sige po.
Thank you kuya.
Hi guys, dito kami ngayon. Nag-aantay kami kay Lorenzo. Napakatagal.
Hi guys, we're here sa bus.
Sa Batangas na kami. Ano siya?
Look at the
View. The view is viewing. Kaya nasa Batangas na po kami guys.
update guys. 4 na lang kami today.
Which is very sad. We'll update you guys once we get there sa resort. Hi, fantasy. Hi guys! Touchdown, Lobo, Batangas. Si Kate, bumibili ng buko juice. Say hi! Buko juice. And then, here's our food for lunch today. We're here sa market para kumain before checking in sa resort. So init. We'll update you later once we get to the resort. Bye!
Everyone votes on who is the most likely to be in bed by 10 p.m. That person drinks 1, 2, 3.
Bakit ba ganito lagi yung ko? Act out as in from a movie. Ganun ulit.
Ano ulaan mo, alam mo? Barcelona. Ay, ang galing nga! Ano yan?
Person before you drink. Starting with you, take turns naming a fruit. Continue until someone hesitates or eats that person. Apple.
Orange.
Shake. Mango. Banana.
Guava.
Pomelo. Strawberry. Avocado.
Hindi ko sa Converse. Pero ano naman, pasok ko naman. All players must only speak with one syllable word until someone messes up, that person rings. One syllable lang. Done. Done.
Hello.
You.
Hello.
You.
Hello.
You.
Hello.
Yung syllable.
Ato na ba yun?
Ay, sa akin.
Ayoko mag-pay-pay.
The person with biggest ears, the least.
Ano na?
Biggest ear. Simple daw sir.
Ako ba mo na lang? Pero maliit yung sa ako.
Okay.
Yes. You drink. Ayan, hindi na mayan.
Apat na ako.
Take an animal and act out this animal without talking. First person to guess correctly pick someone to drink.
Bird.
Oh, sino? Pili ka ng imo.
Ikaw, girl.
Kasi acting na rin.
Everyone who is single drinks. Hello.
Sila lang.
Ikaw, dito na lang tayo. May
Paano ka lahat ito?
paano?
Palima na ako ah.
Para may papakda na mamaya.
Everyone votes on who is the most likely to yak after this game. That person picks someone to drink. Yak? 1, 2, 3.
Ako pipili.
Hindi, ikaw yung hihilo.
Ako pipili naman.
So talaga yan. Red.
Okay. Indigo.
Yellow.
Violet. Maganda.
Cerulean.
O, di kami pipili. Ikaw.
Ikaw.
Doon wala hindi ko nakanurek.
The person with the longest first name drink.
Ay,
John.
ikaw.